The term Idalian refers to the ancient town Idalium, which was a center for the worship of Aphrodite. Aphrodite is the equivalent of the Babylonian goddess Ishtar. According to legend, Shamash, the sun god and child of Sin, resides within Ishtar. The name Idalia means "behold the sun." Therefore, the word Idalia refers to the child of the divine storm bird. It's worth noting that the fuel for this fire was caused by the merging of waters, which created Mamu, Sumerian Unum, representing chaos. They are the gods of the boundary stone.